Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mole and Equations course. This course is designed to equip you with solid understanding of various topics that are essential for comprehending the units used to describe atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. During this course, you will learn about the accurate relative atomic mass of an element, and how it is determined by averaging the masses of its isotopes, which are atoms of the same element that have different numbers of neutrons. You will learn how to use mass spectrometers to measure the isotopic masses of atoms and how to calculate the relative atomic masses of an element. You will learn that the isotopic mass is the mass of an individual atom of an element, while the relative atomic mass is the average mass of all isotopes of an element. You're also going to learn the difference between formula mass and relative molecular mass, and how to calculate them. You will learn that the formula mass is the sum of atomic masses of atoms in a unique molecule, while the relative molecular mass is the average mass of atoms in a molecule. You will learn the units used to describe the amount of substances and the relation between them. You will learn that the standard international unit for the amount of a substance is a mole, which is defined as the number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12. You're also going to learn Avogadro's constant, the relation between Avogadro's constant, mole, and the grams of a substance. In this course, you will learn how to write chemical formulas and equations and how to balance them. You're also going to learn about the empirical and molecular formulas and how to deduce the stoichiometry of a reaction. You will learn that chemical formulas are used to represent the composition of chemical compounds, and they are written using samples of the elements involved, and they indicate the number of atoms of each element in the compound. You will learn that chemical equations represent the chemical reactions, and they are written using chemical formulas, and they show how the reactants are converted into products. You will learn that empirical formulas show the simplest whole number ratio of atoms in a compound. You're also going to learn that molecular formulas show the actual number of atoms in a compound. You will learn that mole calculations are used to determine the amount of a substance in moles. You're going to know that the stoichiometry is the study of the quantitative relationships between the reactants and the products in a chemical reaction. You will learn that it can be used to determine the amount of product that will be formed from a given amount of a reactant, or the amount of reactants needed to produce a given amount of a product. In addition, you will learn about the solutions and concentrations and how to perform titration experiments and collect data, and how to calculate the concentration of a solution using titration. You're also going to learn about the calculations involving gas volumes and how to obtain the stoichiometry of a reaction using the volume of gases. I have included many exercises to help you understand and practice the concepts explained in this course. I have also added end-of-chapter questions with walkthrough answers for extra practice and to solidify your learning. Let's start the course.